I said in my intro, highly spiritual.
Yes.
How is the experience there?
It's beautiful. It's nice.
Kaywa has been accused of some things. Have you experienced any of those things?
No, I'm sorry to the guys who went through things. I don't know how true that was, but me, I'm here. I'm not seeing what they saw. I'm here. So yeah.
Because people are living. Last mid, the guy who sang "Crazy Baby," he was here a couple of
Girl songs.
Girl songs,
Girl songs is my guy.
He's your guy.
Girl songs is cool.
He began so much, but let's you see. Yes, so be a free and so abua imira finidi free so be catch say so we want to know, they have accused Kaywa of not supporting them enough. They are saying that some people even said he's not serious with his artist and all of that.
Wow.
But you are saying wow. The wow comes with a big question mark, like no.
Yeah, because he's very supportive. He's very supportive as a label head. He does some things and I'm like, hey, Baba, you do a lot too. So I'll tell you how I met him.
Okay.
I met him in 2022 March. That was before Last Minute blew up, and I used to post freestyles online, so he saw it. But then before he saw it, shouts to Kwesi Oting, the gospel musician.
Yeah.
I went for a show in Osu, and then I performed. And Kwesi Oting saw me and was like, Charlie, you are good. I want to introduce you to my guy Kaywa. And then fast forward, he did. And I went to Highly Spiritual. I literally went to Highly Spiritual Music the next day. The next day after I met Kwesi Oting. And Papa, that's what we call him. He was so like...
You call Kaywa Papa?
Yeah, that's what everybody calls him. So we were just vibing, and then, we signed later in December. And the whole time he was telling me, yo, I will sign you. Because at that time, I've met such a big opportunity. I want to, and he was just patient, and he was teaching me patience, So and since we signed, Charlie, I'm signed to the man. He's the reason I'm here. So I just pray and hope that we don't get any things.
Now you are praising him just like Mr. Drew did Last Made and all of that. I soon don't hear that you are also living.
If you're unfortunate, okay, hey. Dabi inale so far inale na.
Onale na kai. Ni hani what leke wa fi o jake menko fit take be menko but onu ekome. Oh. Your personal experience with Kaywa. Take Kaywa your thing.
You are funny. Papa is kind. Papa is kind. He is a man of integrity. What he says, he does.
Yeah.
He's calm. He's humble. He's a man of God. He has the qualities of Christ, and he's just this man of love. Sometimes, he assigned kids, and he's like a father to all of us. And
would you say he being a man of God, a Christian, sometimes, let's say Mr. Drew, Last Mate, and the guy who said he didn't come and tell songs.
Yeah.
These are secular artists. Would you say that is why they believe because he's being Christian and all of that, they want this hardcore secular person? Would you say that?
I don't know. Papa is very open-minded.
Open-minded.
He's the one who signed them. So I don't know what was more open-minded than that.
Okay, so your song is in the background. If you can raise it a bit for me, let him sing through, because maybe how sit up so that your vocal cords would receive proper boost.
Yes.
Then you can go through. Okay, so if you can play his song again, go on. Okay. Hey. Ay 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 ay. I'm sorry with you. Hey, girl, if I tell you, then I know that's nothing to lose. Under my shoulder, get a little closer. Hey, oh my love, oh.
oh my love, oh, 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 the friend that I'll say, I tell her, baby, give me one chance. He love me, say, oh, the friend that I'll say, I tell her, baby, give me one chance. He love me out. What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
Alright.
What's tomorrow?
Sisi, you are Max TV, eh? And from today, life will not be the same for you.
Amen.